Well, Racer here. We're back in the shop. We got decent weather. Got one hand that works, one hand that mostly works. We're going to see what we can do. Got us a 93 S10 to replace that Pontiac Sunbird that turned out to be too crusty. We're going to try to maybe get this one to No Name Nationals. It's got a little more potential. It's got like a frame, a whole frame. And it's got patina, abundance. You got a little softness here and there. I admit that. I mean, bottom of the door's gone. Lightweight. Got the rust in the box. Got the rust in the tailgate. Rust in the bumper. Rust in piece. All the way around. Rockers are optional. Cab corners are a thought. She ain't all beat up though. Definitely's got advantages over that Pontiac. We got under the hood here, we got the high performance 4.3 V6 and the 4L60E, which, has suffered. Broken sprag by the way it operates. We got a few things to fix. Yeah, that ain't all good. Interior, really, that could be livable, comfortable. Got a few things. One thing neat about it, yeah, got the battery hooked up. It's got the digital dash, the electronics, and everything seems to work. I don't know if that's going to be the case when I'm done with it. Got the optional cubby hole where the radio used to be. Seats aren't tore up. Carpet could clean. Headliner's mostly hanging up in there like, GM did. But we're going to see what happens when we rip that 4.3 out in there. Slide this 5.3 in. This 4L60E that I think should be functional. It looks good with the pan off. We got some headers there, and anyhow, it's got good glass, so it ain't in the right spot. It has some potential. Let's see what happens. There's so many people put a LS variety engine in one of these. There's lots of information on the internet. Lots of people have done it. Well, I'm going to be one of those people who have done it too, I hope. And we'll see what breaks. I'm going to try to do a little drag racing with it. Got the rest of the interior pieces in the back. Picked up some centerline wheels we're going to slide on here. Lightweight, make it race truck with wheels. Got some replacement exhaust for the original that's gone, which is not going on again. But anyhow, it's only got 30,000 miles on it, so it's in good shape. Everything actually seems pretty tight in the bottom. But we're going to see what happens. See if this other stuff goes in there. Maybe it'll be a race truck. Maybe it'll just be a fun beat around. Maybe it'll be a failure. Anyhow, tell me what you think on these sort of things. Sikeston, Missouri, September 18th, 24 or 21st, something like that. Skelton Raceway, No Name Nationals 2025. Maybe we'll make it with this. We'll make it. I'm going to be there, but let's see how this makes it down there. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment if you would. Sure like them comments. Subscribe if you feel fit. Thank you very much.